Hey guys, how about a little teaching time with Miss Tidwell? I know it's almost the end of the day, but a little calendar time never hurts any time. So let's take a look. From Friday we had Friday, March 27th, 2020. But remember, there's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days in a week. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Who can tell me, please tell me, who can tell me what's today? So we haven't looked at it since Friday. We weren't here Saturday, we weren't here Sunday. So that means today is Monday, 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 Monday. Hey, it's Marvelous Monday. And Monday, remember, is written with a capital because it's the name of the month. It's a proper noun. Monday, March, and it's not the 27th. We had this 3 days ago, so we need to add 3. 27, 28, 29, 30. Today is Monday, March 30th, 2020. On Friday, we were here 139 days of school. And 139 plus one more. Remember, this one more goes in the ones place, boop, right here. So on Friday, if we had 9, what comes after 9? 10. Yep, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus 1 is the next number. And what happens when you have 10? You have to, sing it with me, bundle them up, bundle them up, bundling up another group of 10. Bundle them up, bundle them up, bundling up another group of 10. So this is a group of 10. Am I going to put it in the ones place? No, because it's a group of 10. Move it into the tens place. So now, how many are left in the ones? 0. The picture and the number has to match. How many are in the tens place? We now have 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups, 4 groups. We have 4 groups of 10. So we need to make this match from 3 groups of 10 to 4 groups. Now remember, when we have them in groups of 10, we count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, and that's what we see here when we have 40. We have 1 in the hundreds place, and we have a 4 in the tens place, and we have a 0 in the ones place. That's number 140. So 140, if we look at the back number, that's going to tell us if it's even or odd. And remember, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, even numbers are really great. It is even. How do you know? Because if the back number's even, then the whole number's even. And when we take a look at ours, remember, I can count by tens, dear gentlemen. I can count by tens, and I'll start with 10. I'm going to start with 10 because it has the 0 at the back. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. 140 days of school. Now remember, this was your assignment today in Seesaw. It was looking at your number sentences and writing down an expanded notation. So let's do some practice to equal, different ways to equal 140. If we're going to show some different ways, oops, let me make that a little bit better, to equal 140. Remember, I'm looking at the hundreds plus the tens plus the ones. So how can I write that? 100 plus what? 40. Don't just say plus 4, because even though it's 4, it's because there's 40 there. Plus, I have to tell my ones, 0. I'm kind of writing it backwards to me, so sorry about my handwriting. Equals 140. Remember, commutative property, how can we write it in another way? 40 plus 0 plus 100. And that still equals what? 140. Why? Because you can write numbers in any order, and what? You better sing it. The answer stays the same. The answer stays the same. Think in your head. Maybe you can write it or tell somebody another way you could write this in expanded form, expanded notation. That's what your seesaw assignment is for today, and it's going to be tomorrow also. So remember, when it tells you to write something in the expanded form, that's what we write here that matches what we do every day when we're looking at our days in school. Think about our weather that we had today. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Who can tell me? What's the weather like? It was a sunny day. So if we're going to add that tally mark, I'm going to do it right here. Bloop. I just added one more. And now we can count them. Remember, Khalees. Remember, Bella. Remember, Sophia. Remember, Camden. Remember, Aiden. We see when we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hiya. That karate chop, Bailey. That's a group of how many, Mariana? 5. You got it. And then what do you do with these extras? You keep counting one more. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97, 98. We've had 98 sunny days. Remember, charts like this, tables, graphs, they all give what? Data. Information. Is there only one answer you can give about the weather by looking at this? No, there's lots of things you can tell about the weather. Turn and tell somebody at home one thing you know about the weather by looking at this chart. All right, friends, last thing, let's do a quick look at our clock. What time is it? What time is it? Dun, 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 dun. Take a look at this. Don't say it's 4 because if I slide my finger, it's still in the middle. It's not all the way on the 4 yet. So if it's in the middle, whoop, go back. 3. If this was 30, 35, 40. What time is it? 3:40. 3:40. If I want to write that in digital time, does this match? Yes. Look at the front, 3. Look at the back that tells the minutes, 40. Here's the analog time, 3:40. Here's the digital time, 3:40. What time is it? What time is it? Dun, 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 dun. If it's in the middle, go back. Straight down, you say 30. What time is it? 6:30. Or you can write, or you can say 6:30. When we write 6:30 as digital time, remember, what's going to be at the front as the hour? 6. What's going to be at the back for the minutes? 30. 6:30. Last one. Take a look at it real time right now. It might be a digital clock you're looking at. It might be an analog clock you're looking at. Find a clock somewhere in your house. Go find out what time it is. Look and see if you can tell a grown-up and see if that is correct. I'll talk to you soon. I miss you guys. Have a great evening and check back in tomorrow. Keep working on your seesaw work. I'm proud of you for the work that you're doing. Miss you. Bye. See you soon.